31 degrees. It is kind of cold, but anyways, the storm is coming. The bad thing is I'm on call. So this truck, it sucks when it's raining. It sucks. I got new front tires for snow, so I got a better traction right now. The storm is gonna start at 2 o'clock in the night. I'll let you know what happened. I hope I got